Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Open Library Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to extract structured book, author, and subject data from Open Library, the Internet Archive's public library catalog. This actor lets you collect bibliographic data from Open Library automatically. You can extract books, author profiles, subjects, and reading lists, including titles, authors, publishers, subject tags, etc. It's useful for research databases, literary analysis, cataloging, or building book-related applications. So, how does it work? To get started, you can either search Open Library with a specific URL you already have, or use a normal search query. Just make sure to select one of the two. The search query works the same way as typing into Open Library search box. You can search for book titles, author names, topics, keywords, subjects, etc. This makes it easy to collect exactly the kind of bibliographic data you need. When searching for books, you can enable the ebooks option only. This filters results to only include books with full text available, which is useful if you want downloadable content instead of just metadata. In this example, I'm searching for books using a space query, keeping all formats and limiting the run to 25 items. Once everything is configured, you can run the actor once or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, each result appears in this Dataset table in the Output tab. For books, you get structured fields like title, author, publication date, subject tags, etc. All records are flattened and ready to use in spreadsheets or databases. You can also export the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. This makes it easy to integrate Open Library data into research workflows or applications. This actor is useful for academic research, library cataloging, literary analysis, and building book-related datasets. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.